Looking for a job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Hello, I am Tanushree Chakravarti and you are watching Rhythm. So let's get started. Gopal Narayan Singh University, Rohtas has invited applications for suitable candidates for the following teaching positions: Professor and Assistant Professor in Agriculture, Law and Management. Eligibility criteria are as per the UGC norms. For more details, please visit the website of www.gnsu.ac.in. Interested candidates can send their resume on the mentioned email. The last date of submission is 20th August. Dholera Industrial City Development Limited invites application for the following posts of Assistant Manager, Executive in Marketing, Junior Manager in Admin and HR, and Junior Manager in Accounts. For details on eligibility criteria, qualifications and other terms and conditions, kindly visit the career page of the website at www.dholera.gujarat.gov.in. The last date of application is 14th August. Apollo Sage Hospital in Bhopal seeks candidates in cardiology, cardiac surgery, orthopedics, gastroenterology, pulmonology, and many more. Candidates with a minimum experience of 8 years with reputed hospitals are required. Interested candidates are required to send their mail and a detailed resume on head.hr@apollosage.in or call on the following number. The State Bank of India, Mumbai is looking for bright candidates for following positions of Central Research Team in Product Lead, Central Research Team in Support Project, Development Manager in Technology, and many more. For eligibility criteria, vacancy details, and requisite fee and online application link, log in to the following website of bank.sbi/web/careers. Please note that the last date for filling out the online application and payment of fees is from 19th July to 28th August. Datta Megh Institute of Higher Education and Research, which is in Wardha, is looking to hire candidates for Chief Executive Officer, Manager, and Technical Support Staff. The eligibility criteria and other details are mentioned as follows. Application along with the updated CV should be sent in email to career@dmiher.edu.in within 10 days of this advertisement. For more details, please visit the website. Punjab National Bank, Dwarka, Delhi invites online application for the recruitment of cybersecurity experts on a fixed term on contractual basis for the following positions of SOC Manager, SOC Analyst, and Incident Response Analyst, Firewall Security Specialist, and many more. The annual CTC ranges from 15 to 25 lakhs per annum. For further details, kindly visit on the bank's website of www.pnbindia.in. For queries, kindly mail to the recruitment tho@pnb.co.in. The last date for the submission of the application is 22 July. Rights Limited, Gurugram has called for application in the various positions of General Manager, Additional General Manager, Senior Resident Engineer, and so on. The candidates may find detailed information about the post, application, remuneration, etc. on the website of www.rites.com under the Career section. Sardar Patel Vishwavidyalaya in Lodi State, New Delhi is inviting applications for PGT in Sociology, TGT in Home Science and Food Production, and TGT in History. For qualification for the PGT teachers is postgraduate in required subject from recognized university and B.Ed from a recognized institute is required. For TGT, graduate or postgraduate in subject from a recognized university and B.Ed from a recognized institute having a good command of English is required. An experience of 3 to 5 years will be an added advantage. The candidates are requested to fill out the application form before 3rd August. Further details are given on the school website of www.spvdelhi.org. Punjab and Sindh Bank in East Kidwai, New Delhi is looking for candidates to fill their positions for Assistant Manager, Assistant General Manager, Assistant General Manager in Data Protection Officer, and so on. Full details are given on the bank's website of punjabsindh.co.in under the recruitment link. National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation Limited in Connaught Place is looking for candidates to fill their positions as Manager in Transport Planning, a Senior Executive in Finance and Accounts, and a Senior Executive in GIS. Interested candidates are requested to check eligibility and apply online at www.nicdc.in within 21 days from the date of publication. So that wraps up today's updates. But worry not, we will be keeping you in the loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you have enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।